And there's the Hollywood sign about above Mount Lee. And I think you can see why we love it so much up here. So we're using the iPhone 5 zoom, and we're looking there at Century City, Nakatomi Tower for you die-hard fans, just on the left hand side there. Also in the middle of the screen is the Hollywood area there. In the middle of the screen, I don't know if you can see, is LAX, Los Angeles International. And we have the Mid-Wilshire district there. Let's look at the observatory here. And of course, downtown Los Angeles. Palm trees. There's quite a few walkers in Griffith Park this morning. And the hilly area right at the top of the video is lasvegas. What a lovely way to start the day, walking through the hilly areas. And as you can see, there is miles and miles of parkland that you can walk to. Pretty hazy today due to the heat, but still an incredible view. And we've reached the front lawn. Beautiful. And we are flying drones here in Los Angeles, California this morning. Beautiful morning. We've got some amazing footage for you guys. Right, we're in Westlake, Los Angeles, looking up at this building here. Tell me what famous movie location that was.
I really can't think.
So we're in Los Angeles, but the movie was actually in Detroit.
Beverly Hills Cop.
Beverly Hills Cop. So that was Axel Foley's home in Beverly Hills Cop in Detroit. Now, if you remember, he pulled up here, and what happened to his mate? They went in and
he got shot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that
right there.
Yep, that is your filming location for Beverly Hills Cop. Beautiful day. And we've just had a lovely picnic. We've just called the GIV, had a chat to the GIV, and asked him some advice, as we always do. And he kindly gave it to us. It was good to talk to him there. Yeah, absolutely loved it.
7:35 at night, road trip down to the coast, stereo on high, a vibe in your bleached denim shirts, a couple days of cemetery, a sunscreen, and nowhere else to be, in the fader when a bigger, making hella memories. I wish that we could go back, more than just a throwback, baby, only you and me, chasing after sunsets, back when we were young and living on a movie screen. We were so in love, we never thought about where we were going. Could we take a moment?
And welcome to beautiful Beverly Hills, California. Wow, absolutely absolutely beautiful plant, and it's scorching hot today. Well, I hope you enjoyed that drone footage. That's spectacular, looking at all the palms there for you. And I hope you're enjoying today's video. Day 12 here in beautiful Beverly Hills. Wow, pretty awesome, eh? And this is the Margaret Jane Anderson Fountain, erected 1912, dedicated 2015. In 1911, the Rodeo Land and Water Company developer Burton Green invited Anderson, former manager of a successful hotel in Hollywood, to create and run a brand new hotel situated halfway between Los Angeles and the sea. The Beverly Hills Hotel was the first major development in the area thanks to the Andersons' business. Whoa, that's really, really good. Something I didn't know. Look at all the fish swimming away there. They're absolutely loving it. Lots of little baby fish in there too. And of course you've got the terrapins, are they? And the ducks. Yeah, look at that guy and all the fish swimming around him. And look at those cheeky characters. And the size of this guy, look at him. Wow. He's absolutely huge. There is the Beverly Hills Hotel. Wow. Right, it's baking hot now, baking. We're 103 here in Beverly Hills. Wow. And down here on the right hand side is the famous George Michael toilet. And that's where he got arrested for doing what we know he used to do. There we go, this toilet block. George Michael toilets. And there we go, the famous toilets. There used to be the Beckons Hotel, not hotel, house here in Beverly Hills. Been many a time where we've sat here and we've actually seen Victoria and David driving out of there in their posh cars. And we are still in Beverly Hills, Rodeo Drive. We're going to go and walk Rodeo in this crazy temperatures for you guys. This is going to be the quietest I've seen Rodeo Drive. So today is Thursday and it's coming up to 1:24 p.m. and it's definitely quiet, maybe the heat. We've got a nice Mustang there and we've reached Dayton Way. It's an absolutely stunning day today. This guy's still taking a photograph of Life is Beautiful. Definitely is in California today. Here we go, via Rodeo. Oh, now the heat. We're in the direct sunlight, 104 degrees. Rodeo Drive. Well, we've got a Cybertruck for you here, guys. I do like it. Foundation series, it says. But yeah, really like the Cybertrucks. We are almost now at the top of Rodeo Drive. And it's been so hot. But it's been good. Right, remember the scene, Beverly Hills Cop, where there was a massive shootout in the mansion? And in the film, I think they say something like, all cars 609, Palm Canyon Drive. It wasn't. It is 609, which you can see here on the pavement. But this is in Santa Monica, so all the police cars would have belted through those gates, and you can probably see maybe the walls or so, but they all would have driven up that driveway. Now Axel would have been picking a gate somewhere over here, but it's obviously now Now there is a gate. We'd have to check on the film and see if it was, but that could be the actual gate that Axel was trying to pick. Here we go, we've got a cyber truck. We can actually hopefully get in. I am in a cyber truck. How cool is this? Oh, what a wonderful day here in Santa Monica. Another cloudless, sunny day. Plenty of vitamin D. And we've got the fabulous Apple Store. I like the colours of all the seats there. And there we go. Apple of California. And we are back. Will Rogers State Beach. Check the ocean out, it's gorgeous. And the Santa Monica Pier. Look at that, it looks really, really nice today. Right behind it is Palos Verdes. California is just beautiful. And we're dreaming. Living the dream in California today. Here we go, guys. Trump 2024. And you can buy, look at this, Make America Great Again. Anything that you want for Trump.
Yeah, I like it. I like it.
Is all there. You get the mugs.
Yeah.
Fight,
Yeah.
fight, fight.
Well,
How
yeah.
cool is that?
No, no, no.
Well, there we go. California today. Absolutely beautiful. People are enjoying in the water there, making sandcastles and just bathing in the Pacific Ocean. Welcome to Pacific Park. How cool is this? A lovely area just to come and chill and enjoy yourself. Okay, and it looks as though the roller coaster is about to go. It's pretty tame at the moment, but I guess it gives a pretty good ride. Probably goes a bit quicker as it passes over here. Definitely screaming. So I know Gloria Estefan. Who else have we got? Let's have a look. The Simpsons. We all know who the Simpsons are. Look at that cockroach there. He's a pretty big cockroach. Arnold Schwarzenegger, I'll be back. So Michael Jackson, he got pretty little feet. And his hands were pretty small. We were here in Hollywood when he did that, actually, I think, 1995. Yeah, 1995. We've got Hugh Jackman over there, Michael Caine. Look at this, Michael Caine. 1988, so this is when we first come to America. Michael Caine. Just an incredible atmosphere here on Hollywood Boulevard at night. So this pink Cybertruck you can actually rent out starting at $27. Drive it $139 for 20 minutes. So 139 bucks just for 20 minutes. Well, that looks pretty cool. I do like the Cybertrucks. All the colours with Hollywood lighting up at night now is fantastic. The Cybertruck and right, welcome to Hollywood. What's your dream? We've made it here to Los Angeles, California. What a beautiful night.